Have you been countrified yet? My name is Rhonda Faye Chennault. Our business is Countrified Farms, LLC. One of my patients said, "Hey, why don't you raise a calf for me?" And I'm like, "Hey, okay." He was looking for all natural, healthy, no hormones, no steroids, came from the farm, and it's like, we do that. So we did it, and we grew from there. We went from 30 acres to almost 140. We do beef, a package deal, or we can sell the individual steaks, individual roasts. We have summer sausage, canned items, pickles, dill, sweet, bread and butter, cowboy candy, jams, jellies. So, you know, there you go. It's been a whole lot of work and a whole lot of struggle.
When we bought the place, the grass had been neglected for years. They'd been baling hay off of it, not putting the fertilizer back into the property, so the grass was really suffering. It's taken quite a bit of time, TLC, to the land to get it back to where it is now.
There's always something, but that's the fun of it. You know, when you get to grow and you get to show people that this is where I started and this is where I'm going. I did a little research, found the company, went and talked to Craig, and boom, Craig is wonderful. I said, "Craig, you know, I'm a little nervous about this." And he, "Oh no, it'll be fine, it'll be fine, it'll be good." We sat there probably another hour talking about cows, and it's turned out to be a wonderful deal.
I met Rhonda several years ago when she came in for a land loan, and I was most impressed with her based upon her knowledge of her inventory. So she runs beef cattle, and she brought me, you know, an inventory list of every cow that she owned, and I just thought her notes were meticulous. She knew when they were born, when they calved, when they're going to calve next. She even had names for each of her cows. I'm here to help her with a farm and ranch land loan purchase, but it's exciting to talk about cattle, and you could tell she's the kind of person that is buying the land to grow her operation, and she treats her cattle like we would treat our children. She takes care of them. Again, they each have their own name, so that will kind of tell you how much she cares about her livestock.
You know, we get that check, and it's Christmas every time the check comes. You know, that's a big bonus. The first one was smaller because that's just, you know, because you're first into it. The second, and I think the third one is, wow, this is fantastic. So we put it towards feed, we put it towards hay, we put it towards whatever, you know, if we've run up a bill to try to redo our dairy barn. It's just been a blessing. I mean, it's very unexpected you can't get that anywhere else. You know, now we get to drive through the pasture in our mule. Craig and this company has been a huge part of that.
I enjoy working with her, and she enjoys giving me steaks.